emergency brakes, distracted drivers, and out of control snowboarders. This is top dash cams. Running a red light on the left, this red Honda narrowly misses 4 cars. This car pulled out in front of a bus. No contact was made and the car drove on like nothing happened. In Ontario, Canada, this driver was too lazy to remove inches of snow completely covering his windshield. Heavy rain meant this dashcam user couldn't see a vehicle stopped in the lane up ahead. Fortunately, a new set of front tyres helped him narrowly dodge a nasty accident. In Cleveland, a snowplow on the opposite side of the highway dumped ice in front of cars, causing multiple accidents.
Listen, if they're spraying water, you know it ain't nice. Oh shit. Fucking plow just caused an accident.
This propane truck was fast approaching a stop sign. Fortunately, this dashcam driver could tell he wasn't going to stop.
Here's my idiots in cars. Media's on the median. Nice.
This motorcyclist was so focused on getting the attention of these girls, he took his eye off the traffic in front. Safe to say, he got their attention. Keep an eye on this cyclist to the right. He suddenly decides to make a left turn across 2 lanes of traffic without signalling. You've got a lot of hazards to watch out for while driving. Other cars, pedestrians, but snowboarders? This car accidentally runs a red light. Instead of backing up, he doubles down on his stupidity, pushing his way through the intersection.
Jesus fucking Christ, what is wrong with that car? Oh my god.
What the f, dude?
This is why it is illegal to look at your phone while driving. This driver in Rockland is holding up traffic and stopping the car behind from passing. Naturally, this leads to some road rage that could have caused a serious accident. Keep an eye on the bumper of this car being towed.
Whoa, holy 97418 MK. Wow. That truck almost took out this person with their kid on a scooter.
Volvo trucks have arguably the best emergency braking systems in the world. It might just have saved this person's life.
Stora aufwärts.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you tomorrow for another video.